Hello from Tosh Tires. I've got an Audi A3 here on a 2015 plate, and this one here came in for a service, but just going to share the oil filter location with you. One of the worst locations for the oil filter. As you can see right there, that's the oil filter housing which you need to undo, and to undo it you got to make sure you keep the area clean. So Audis have made it slightly difficult for people, independent garages, to do the service, but if you do it, you got to make sure the areas, surrounding areas are quite clean, and do it right as well. So whatever you disconnect, you got to connect them back up. Now this is one of the cars that has the worst location. There are other cars like Peugeots and Vauxhalls. I will share the videos. There will be a playlist for worst oil filter locations. Do check it out. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.